good, so let them niggas know it's mine.
Hello you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, please subscribe. Today I'll be doing a video on this mirror, really a review on this mirror. I've been getting a lot of questions about it, where I got it from, is it worth the price? That's like the main question. And how is the mirror? So that's what I'll be talking about today. So first, when I ordered the mirror, the shipping wasn't bad at all. I think it took around like 7 days or so for the mirror to come in, maybe 5 or 7. And the light bulbs came with the mirror. This mirror is the Glow XL mirror, if I'm not mistaken. I'll leave the link in the description box below so you can check it out. But I think it was like, it was either $490 or something like that. It was close to $500. I spent $500 and some dollars because I bought this little mirror as well. This was cheap. This was like, I think this was on like $30 or something. But yeah, this mirror was like expensive. It was like $500. So I know what you're thinking. $500. What's so special about the mirror? I don't know, sis. I think this is the only thing that's special about the mirror is the company's name, like Impressions Vanity. I think that's why it's $500. Like, as you can see, I'm missing 3 light bulbs. Okay, $500. I expect these light bulbs to be in here for like 2 years and not blow at all for $500. So these light bulbs actually, the first day I got the mirror and I brought it upstairs. First of all, this mirror is very heavy. I had to like push it and roll it upstairs because it's probably like, I don't know, like a good 80 pounds or something. Like, I can't even move this mirror or like pick it up or anything because it's so heavy. I don't even know how I got this up here. But yeah, it's like super heavy. So when I got the mirror, this base part wasn't on there. I don't know if y'all can see this, but it's like a thick little base right here. This didn't come assembled, so I had to do it myself, which was pretty easy. It was only 3 screws at the bottom and you just screw it in. And this part is heavy as well. And the light bulbs came in this box, this long box, and they came in this other little box, and it was very neat and well put together and stuff, but they didn't last. Like, these are weak or something. Like, these, the way they put these together, it's just bad. Like, when you twist it in there, you really have to work to put it in there, and you shouldn't have to. And if you twist it too hard, they break. So that's what I did with the first one I got. When I was twisting it in there, I wasn't twisting hard or anything, but I was just twisting it and it broke. So I tried another one and I put it in there. Sis, I cut the light bulb on the switch on the side. I turned it on and it blew. It blew out. This is all in the same day. So about a week or so, maybe a week or 2 weeks later, I was about to do my makeup, so I cut the light on again. This light bulb blew out. One blew out right here and then right here and another one somewhere else, but I just moved them to this side because when I film, you can see this and you won't see this because this is so ugly. So that one blew out. So within 2 weeks, I lost 3 light bulbs. $500 and I'm losing light bulbs like this. Something's not right. Like, these are too cheap, first of all. And the way they made this is cheap. It's just, I don't know, something not right with it. So it's a switch on the side that turns it on and off, and a dimmer thingy that dims the light. And these light bulbs are so yellow. I don't know if y'all can tell, but these light bulbs are so yellow, and it's annoying because I don't know. I don't like the way they look. My friend has this same mirror, well, sort of same mirror, and she suggested that I buy new light bulbs from somewhere else, and they'll be white light bulbs. And Impressions actually tried to, they give you the option to pick which type of light bulb you want, And this one was the one that came with it. But the other light bulbs, I think those are like $50 or $60 a piece. They were expensive for all of them. So I might as well just go to like Home Depot or Lowe's and get them like for $1, $2 a piece. It's 12, so that'll be like $24. So yeah, and on the side it has 2 outlet plugs and 2 USB ports. So that's really good. I more so use the plugs and the USB ports because when I'm like curling my hair or flat ironing my hair, I sit here and plug it right there. It's real convenient. And yeah, this didn't come with batteries. I had to put batteries in it. And I put that down below as well. Oh, I forgot that video was playing in the background. I hope y'all heard me. But so yeah, it's pretty thick. The mirror itself, I like it. It's very clear. It's big. It's wide. But I don't like the light bulbs. And I feel like for $500, I should get better light bulbs than this. And they should last longer. So I don't know. There's a lot of other places you can get this mirror from for like $200 or so. But me being me, I just wanted to get this one because this was the name brand mirror. So I went to give it a try. And I don't know. It's a plug as well. It's plugged up under my desk. But yeah, I just wanted to get a mirror try, and it's okay. Is it worth $500? No, it's not worth $500. I would get the mirror from somewhere else, honestly. If this breaks or shatters, I don't think I will buy it from them again. If that like sums it up. So yeah, but I'll be getting new light bulbs soon. I don't know if I'm waiting on all of these to blow out or what I'm waiting on, but I'll get some more soon because these are so yellow and I don't like that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this review on this mirror, and let me know if you have any questions about it in the comment section. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.
I won't hold back this time. I won't hold back.